Wait, if you keep strolling, you're going to miss how to add primary trade lines to your personal and business profile. But before we get into it, do me a favor, like, comment, share, and save this post. I promise it's going to change your life. Step one, you have to have two separate entities. You can either have a LLC or a corporation, it doesn't matter, and they can't be associated with each other. Now, I'm pretty sure you're going to ask me, how do you get 2H corporations? Stick to the end. I'm going to give you the website. And no, it's not Sunbiz. Step two, I'm going to give you three important websites that are very important if you're going to successfully add the primaries to your business and or personal profile. Those websites goes as follow: nav.com, Duns and Bradstreet, and eCredable, the business tier. Those platforms help establish reporting and credibility. It's very important that you get all three. Step three. Now, I told you, follow me. Like this post and save it. I'm serious. I'm giving you real information that some of your favorite credit gurus gatekeep. Now, let's get back into it. Step three, you have to understand one company becomes the lender and the other company is the borrower. Step four, we're going to go over all the paperwork you need to successfully complete this process. Don't leave any paperwork out and don't add any paperwork you've heard somewhere else on social media or online. The first is a business loan agreement. The next one, you've probably heard it before, a promissory note. That's the typical thing people talk about when primaries. They always tell you you need the promissory note. Next, you need a payment schedule. So you need all the payments you've made detailed out on a sheet of paper. Next, you need payment proof. You need proof that you made the payments. And finally, you need a UCC filing. It's very important to add. And I'm pretty sure you heard that. And if you need a cheap CPA, just go over to Fiverr and tell them you need a payment schedule, give them the details, and they'll create you one. Step five, listen to me clearly. Do not go stealing a shelf corporation from any Secretary of State website. In order to get that corporation or LLC in your name, you basically have to forge their name of signing it over to you. And it's just not worth going to jail for forgery. You're going to have a long list of charges. The second reason is it can have back taxes. It messes up everything you've built and concentrated and focused on during this process. And the third reason is because you have these shelf corporation gurus that post online selling shelf corporations. They run shelf corporations every day, every other day. And if they see now your shelf corporation is built, they're going to take it and it ruins everything you done worked on. This video was for educational purposes only. If you need the templates that I share with you in step 4, click the link in the bio, click the classroom tab, and it's there in the school. I'll see you there.